Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This is Tanvir Ahmed, developer of Tanvir Trade Copier. Here I am ready to guide you about the uses of Tanvir Trade Copier. In the previous video I showed you inputs configuration of slave account. In this video I want to show you how to use server number for multiple slave accounts, because a user can use multiple slave accounts for their copy trading. Sometimes user can use multiple master accounts also. Here you will learn multiple master and slave accounts management by using server number in the right way. Let's begin. Here we shall use two master accounts, where this MT4 from Forex Time Broker and this MT5 account from RoboForex Broker. Also we shall use 7 slave accounts, where these 3 MT4 accounts from Forex Time Broker, these 2 MT4 accounts from RoboForex Broker, and these 2 MT5 accounts from MetaQuartz. First we shall use this MT4 master account and these 7 slave accounts. Now let me allow to open this master and these 7 slave terminals. Set copier in master terminal and switch the mode from slave to master. Look here that server number is 221 and master number is 47824238. Now set copier in slave terminals one by one with server number 221 and master number 47824238. And keep the copier on the chart in slave mode. Five slave accounts are now showing that master connection is connected. Why we did not set copier in these rest to slave accounts? Please note that if you have more than 5 slave accounts, then it is recommended for you that set 5 slave accounts with one server number. Then go back to your master account, open another new fresh chart and insert the copier in that chart again. But now we have to change the server number because this server number 221 is already running in this chart and is connected with 5 slave accounts. Every time we need unique server number which is not using at this current time. Open copier's input section and change the server number by 222. Now set copier in rest two terminals one by one with server number 222 and master number 47824238. We could set 7 slave accounts with server number 221, but that may lead our device slower down. So we should limit slave accounts to a maximum of 5 for each server number. This process will help our device not to be slow quickly. Most of the time Thread Copier users set copier in VPS and VPS using is recommended. So it is very important for us to make sure that VPS remains fast and not to be slow. Slow VPS is very problematic for copy trading. Now I shall show you how to use multiple masters with slave accounts. Let me allow to open another master, that means this master account. Copier has been set into the chart in master mode successfully. We already know that every time we need unique server number for each master account. Open input section and set new server number 223 because server number 221 and 222 is already running. I want to connect only these two slave accounts with this master account. Look at here. Server number is 223 and master number is 67019651. Now set copier in slave accounts new fresh chart with server number 223 and master number 67019651. In this slave account, master account 47824238 is connected with server number 221 and master account number 67019651 is connected with server number 223. Same for this slave account also. Now let me allow to open orders from two master accounts. Order from first master account is opened with lot size 0.40 and see all 7 slave accounts have been copied that order successfully. Now order from second master account is opened with lot size 0.80 and see these two slave accounts have been copied that order successfully. These rest 5 slave accounts did not copy order of second master account because we did not connect these 5 slave accounts with this second master account. And dear viewers, in this video that's all for server number details. See you again. Thank you for watching this video.